We about to go. We about to go. Pirate Day. Cheers on her first pirate ship. The creek crew was just having fun. Inside the pirate ship. Inside the pirate ship.
And then with her in the same storm again. That's Now, my name is Phil. I'm the mountain and commander. If you mean it's pirate aboard the ship, the guy that wins. Water gun, buddy. Follow it timeouts on practice. We just believe in following captain's orders and using one gun instead of three. Well, who's Mr. Berger? Oh, she disappeared. Well, how's she gonna hit me if she ain't right here? Put your toes on the black circle. Now we're going to put the treasure in the middle. Turn around, look towards the middle and spread out. You're all in one side. Some of you go the other side where nobody's standing. Toes. Toes on the black circle. Y'all don't know where your toes are. You get your heels on there. Think real skinny. Make yourself real skinny. There's a lot of them. I'll fix it here in just a minute. Alright, make a hole over there so they get through. Move to the side just to make a hole. Boys, we're trying to make a hole. Yeah. Hey, red and white, striped shirt. Back up, all you boys over there are all across the line. Back up. Now, y'all see what's happening, don't you? Y'all can't see it? There's too many kids and not a big enough circle. How do you make the circle bigger? No, we're not doing that. Back up. Y'all are all going the wrong way. You're trying to make it easier and you're making it harder. You got to back up. Make the circle big. Now you'll all fit. Alright, now y'all stay back there to be safe.
Treasure chest.
But you cannot cross that line all at once. You're going to have to take turns. That's your job, Guppy. You decide who goes first and who goes last. Don't pick anybody who's standing up. Don't pick anybody who's touching the black line. Now you wait your turn, and I'll give you all some of my special pirate candy. French fried rat tails. I like rat tails. Yep, good stuff. All right, now hold up 3 fingers, everybody. 3. Way up in the sky. 3. Mud shark. Guppy. That's not 3. It's not 2 either. I didn't say anything about holding the same number up. I said hold up 3 up. Look at the kids if you don't know what 3 is. Copy one of them. Nope, you made the same mistake. You both copied 2 kids. You're supposed to copy 1 kid. Put one of your hands down.
Yeah, Gubby, put one of your hands down.
No, put one of yours down too, Mud Shark. There. Now that's 3. Everybody remember that number. That's how many pieces of treasure you're going to get out of the box. We're all going to get 3. Alright, put your hands down. Open it up. See what we're going to get. Hey, Mud Shark, what in the world are you doing? That's why it's gonna happen. That's fine. Alright, boys and girls, y'all think they're lying? Yeah, they're lying alright. If they don't give us that treasure, you want to see them walk the plank? Hey, that's a long swim, Mud Shark. You're going to drown. Oh, I didn't think you could. Hey, y'all want me to feed them to the shark? Why y'all talking so much? He said he wasn't scared. She said sharks are man-eaters. Yeah. I've heard that before. Alright, look. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to send Mud Shark down them stairs. You're going to brush your teeth. Yeah. And then I'm going to take away your shell from you. They'll get this down. Watch it. Look at that. What is that? That's a shark. That's a PB shark. Look at that. PB. I hate a PB shark. Oh, PB on you every time. Oh, I see you alive and dead. I knew y'all was lying. Alright, now everybody stay seated. Don't get up. Don't get on the black line. Somebody's going to pick you out 4 at a time. Remember now, you get 3 pieces of treasure. You come over and get some pirate candy from Kiana. Don't get on that line over there.
finally in the treasure chest. Let's see what she gets. She's digging. Oh. Did you get candy? Got something. Cheers. Tell me what you got. Tell me what you got. Gold. Oh, you got a finger. Dig up your nose. Oh. Let me see it. Gold. We got a lot of money now. Hold it. You got a pocket, you can put it in your pocket. There ain't no pocket.
Let me see you dance like a pirate. Swing your arms and lift those feet.
Alright guys, there's only 11 words in this song. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a
Hands up.
I don't want to take my butt. I don't want to be a duck, so I take mine. Sing it with us. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck, so I take mine.
Alright, I want y'all to spin around this time while you're dancing.
Alright, I want to hear you really loud this time. I want to see how loud you kindergartners can be when you're singing. Alright?
Hands up.
Here we go. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck, so I take louder.
Alright, one more time. Show me your pirate spirit. Come on. Hands up. Slow motion. Alright, let's go faster now. Come on. Go faster. Come on. Go, go, go.
Okay, who knows how to applause? Anybody? Let me see applause. Go for it. Come on. Applause. Applause faster. Applause really good.
Good job. Good job.